Hello everybody, welcome to another Zabbix video. This time I will talk about network equipment monitoring, and this will be more like a brain exercise to have a new perspective, have some things to think about, and it will be highly related to minimalism and highly related with the network equipment, and also to avoid too much alerts. Sometimes when somebody unplugs a network cable and turns out Zabbix creates two alerts instead of one. This will be exactly about this scenario. And with my experience, official templates, which are working with the SNMP version 2, version 3, like there are certain like group of people who is not entirely satisfied immediately out from the box. They apply the template and they have questions like why I have two alerts when I just did one action to the equipment. Let's have a look. And the story is about SNMP polling. And here on screen I have a module generated by SNMP, and this is part of every official template. When you choose Cisco, MikroTik, other vendors, they all will have these like 12 items. What is the system name? What is the system description? Uptime, and also like this template will have in a new modern Zabbix installation, if you use Zabbix 6 or 7, there will be some SNMP agent items and some simple check items. And simple check items doing the ping. Like for the ICMP ping, we actually do not need any dependencies. It's not, we don't need to enable the SNMP daemon on the device, don't need to look on the community name. So ping gives it's very good value if you do the ping only. But now here comes a conflict from my point of view, and like 5 or 10% of people can spot that. We are doing like ICMP ping monitoring, and if the device is not pingable anymore, Zabbix will generate this alert, generic by unavailable by ICMP ping, and the severity is high. And if like device is just pingable, like if we monitor a web camera or a network printer, then this is all we need. Like if the device is pingable, then great. If not pingable, then we need to receive email alert. The problem, from my point of view, comes when people decide to enable full monitoring, like not only the ping but also SNMP agent. And this module and like all the official templates is using this approach out from the box. The ping is there, and also the full monitoring, CPU, memory, what is the status for interfaces, all that goes together. And now we have this trigger when device is not pingable, and we have another trigger which is called no SNMP data collection. And these two things kind of overlap if you think closely. Not entirely overlap, but it's like it's worth the discussion. Absolutely. Like if you unplug the power for the equipment, like this will go in the problem state for sure. Also, the other thing, like this trigger, these two triggers almost like always be in the problem state. So why did you do one thing, like unplug that power, and Zabbix is having like two things? And for the people who is obsessed with the noise, like they don't want to have any noise, like to have a very minimal setup when device is very unreachable, like receive single email inside the problems page, we have a single alert. So these two things will kind of cause trouble. And so what's the alternative way how to do is, and the alternative way is like we can just like clone the template and call it my, and like keep the official for the reference. And what I could recommend, and I have seen people deciding to do that, like we can like disable or delete the trigger. I like to delete, like to keep things simple. Delete. So I'm deleting the actual ping trigger. I lost my template. Click. And now inside this, deleted from the official one. Okay, no worries. So this is the clone of mine, and so inside the cloned version, I would remove this host is not pingable. I would remove it, and the next action would be promote this other trigger to become like very high. And sometimes I have worked with the clients, and there are few clients who understands like the meaning of this this trigger. It's not like warning or information. If we are not polling equipment, it means like we are flying blind. It's like it's not a discussion like this, which is out from the box a warning. In a way, like if you base all your business on like you are selling monitoring to others, you promise you will have like visibility 24/7 all day long. If the data collection is not coming, like we are losing reputation, and the people will not trust you anymore. So if the goal is to have a full monitoring, then this is a disaster. And the ping is like kind of in a way it's included here. And what I'm doing, the ping item is still there. It's like sometimes it can be just another context. It is theoretically possible that ping is working and SNMP daemon is down. I have never seen that in practice, but theoretically it can be a combination when ping is working and the other thing we can and the other thing is not working. Actually, the opposite scenario I have seen more frequently when ping is completely forbidden in the firewall level. So it's even not a good thing. If the ping is blocked, then I need even delete these items, like the device is not pingable. But in this video, I am talking about like the noise produced by Zabbix, and if the ping problem goes in the ping trigger fires up, and this other one goes and tells like we cannot fetch the device anymore, then we have duplicate alerts. And real people like can spot this thing. They deploy Zabbix from scratch, apply like templates to 200 equipment, and they see this immediately, like something is off. Why when some like device goes down, Zabbix generates 2 alerts inside the problems page, and we can I would like to use the word like survive, or it's a bare minimum setup to detect if the SNMP daemon is down. Most likely the ping is not working as well. All right, that was everything for this video. It was just like a brain exercise to have a thought like how you disagree with me, how much you agree with me, like just some think about like to lower down the noise inside the Zabbix. And that's that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.